So we're on the little Midland 42DS connected up to, in the picture, oh there's the picture, connected up to the umbilical cord. So the fact it's got nothing connected to the top is because it's connected to the bottom through the umbilical cord, which of course is really beautifully intermittent on my power supply. So we'll go up to Mega Chippie channel. I'm going to have to keep picking this up. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Hello there, just making sure you're there.
Yeah, roger that. You ready to go?
Off we go.
Roger.
So like we do with a lot of things, we will plug it into the external speaker mounted on the wall so you can hear what it can sound like rather than from its 1.5 inch internal speaker.
To the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
And these actually have an RF meter, relative RF meter, and an S meter. If you can hear a hissing in the background, it's the ultrasonic cleaners for the records we'll be playing later. Tango 21, if you called me, the power gone off to this.
Roger that. Right, well, your petrol's 163.9 and 189.9, and we're now going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Yep, roger on that.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford, over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Doesn't seem to be any interference at all today. I've got no S-bars on the display. It's weird.
Can't be bad. Might be able to get Scratchy Corner extra loud and clear.
Roger that.
Now we'll go back to the normal speaker and unplug our extension speaker and make sure the squelch is in manual.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. Now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson, over.
Roger got you loud and clear doing Scratchy Corner, and I'm on a Midland 42DS, which is a current model hand portable, and it's doing 2.7 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Excellent! And if you looked at the tune-up video, it was doing 3 watts on CPT when we'd done the retune. It had arrived doing 2.2 watts on the UK set of channels.
Now going over Wilsford Level Crossing, over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger.
So if we get one of the maps out, if I can kind of hold that at the same time. Wilsford Level Crossing, Scratchy Corner's just there. There, Wilsford Level Crossing is there. So that's the 3 mile point. So the next course through at Kelby, which is our 4 mile point, or the Kelby turn. Kelby somewhere up there.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger.
So as I was saying, that's the Kelby turn. So we start, we've got Ancaster, the crossroads, we start at Sudbrook, Ancaster, Wilsford, Kelby turn, and the next one's the Greyleys turn where it says Sleaford Golf Club. They're all people in dodgy checked trousers. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. That's the 5 mile point. So it's there. Then the next one is the level crossing at Rawsby, also known as Greyleys level crossing. And that's just over 5.5 miles. And then when he starts talking about the petrol station and he heads towards the Quarrington roundabout, that's actually the 6 mile end point. Roger, have you got a price for petrol over?
Roger that, 157.7 and 185.9.
That's a Roger then, thanks very much, and 1010.
Roger that, 1010.
Right, that's absolutely fine. So this is plugged into our Antron 99 aerial, which I've said a million times is mounted just above gutter height on this single story property, so it doesn't even overcome the roof. So it's nothing special, and that's deliberately done so we're not being elitist with the tests. So we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station and we'll just see what it sounds like, because I've no idea. I don't have an external microphone, so we're doing it on the built-in mic. I don't know if Midland even offer an external microphone, but there you go.
Tango 21 testing the Midland 42DS hand portal on its internal electrics microphone into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And thanks for watching.